What's the meaning of calves? Calves. Calves.
Calves. Calves. The word calves is the plural form of the word calf, which refers to the back part of the lower leg. More specifically, the calf muscle is located on the back of the lower leg and is responsible for ankle flexion and knee flexion. The calf muscles are important for everyday movements such as walking, running, and jumping, and are also commonly targeted in exercises such as calf raises to improve strength and definition. So, calves is a term used to describe a specific area of the body and its associated muscular function.